Let's do an initial Cisco configuration of a fresh, brand new Cisco router, shall we? Join me in. So this is my situation. I have two routers that I just bought, okay? And this is the end result I want to achieve, which is I want to, one second, let me just put here. Yeah, I want to have this guy here. I want to call it router 1, and I'm going to have a crossover connection, so a single Ethernet cable, really simple, connecting router 1 to router 2. So this is going to be called router 1. This is going to be called router 2. I am going to use these names as an example. You can call them whatever you want. I just powered the routers on and they are completely blank, and I want to make sure they can ping each other through that direct cable connection, if you prefer a crossover cable. Shall we? So let's get this out of the way first. Let's start with top left, which is going to be router 1. So let's start by doing some conft. So I'm going to go into global configuration mode and give it a name, host name, and give it its name. There we go, immediate effect. Let's then do the same thing on router 2. So I'm going to go into global configuration mode and host name router 2 or R2, whatever you prefer. Effects are immediate. The names are stored in the running configuration in RAM. So if you want to be completely safe, you can save the configuration so it's preserved across reboots. So you can just go back to privileged mode, and you can just do copy, running config, startup config, and save the file, which is perfectly fine. And now every time you reboot these routers, I forget, you can be safe that the host name is preserved across reboots. Copy, running config, startup config. There we go. Host names are set. Now we know which one is which. Now we know that's router 1 and we know that's router 2. To my friends in the short-term, on the short-term videos, on the shorts, YouTube shorts and other shorts video format, come and check to my YouTube channel, also bits, and check the long form for the full tutorial. I'll see you there. Like, subscribe, and comment.